So here is a repair that I'm going to try to make. First time I'm using the headband lights. I'm in a basement. There's a leak in this pipe. And here's, without any light, here's what I'm looking at. It'd be pretty hard for me to see that, where the leak is at. Let's see, I'll take my camera without any light on it, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about maybe. Okay, now I'm going to try the headband light on this. Check that out. Alright, let's take it off. Look at that. So, yeah. And I'm comfortable. Okay, so I'm going to take my pipe cutter. I'm going to put it like right over here. Just beyond the elbow, where I'll be able to move it up and down. Like you see. Probably like right there. We're going to cut the pipe there. And we're going to have some spillage. There's still quite a bit of water. Even though I've turned the water off from the house, from the main, it's going to be some spillage, so I'm expecting that. I'm not able to go 360 on this. Alright, I'll get back. It's going to take a little while probably to cut this. Just tightening it as it digs itself in there and loosens up. I just continue to tighten it. Oh, it's great to have water running up your armpit. So I had to dig out my hacksaw. So it's really easy to use one of those cutters if you have a 360 range, and I didn't. On either one of these, I didn't have that. So, yeah, there you go. Get the other side over here. Okay, over here where we started at, I'm going to just try to see what I can do as far as... I don't think I can get... It's really hard for me to get my hacksaw in there. Oh. Yeah, it's really hard for me to get my hacksaw in there. Let's try to... I was almost there anyway. See that? Yeah, so I just square that up with the file. That's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. So there's our section. I'm going to take my file and I'm going to use my head and hold the pipe over here, but I'm just going to square it up, deburr it, and we should be good on there. I may take a little bit of emery cloth and just kind of smooth off the side here. Just any grease or oxidation that's on the pipe, that's what I'll do for that. Same on this side over here. This one's pretty squared up pretty good. There's not a whole lot of flare. Pretty much what I'm going to do on it. And I'll probably clean this off with, like I said, emery cloth. I'm going to take the Sharkbite elbow, put it on one end, probably this end here of the pipe, and push it as far as I can till it bottoms out, and we should be good. All right, so yeah, what you do is you line up the white here in the center of the pipe. You're putting it on. I'm going to use my other hand to hold the other end of the pipe there, and then I'm going to push this on. Don't have a tripod set up here to show you, so I'm just going to push it on until it goes down, until it seats down as far as it will go, and I'll get right back. Right, got it on, heard it snap. Cool thing about the Sharkbite is you don't have to put it on one position and line it up and all that like you would cement. I was actually using the palm of my hand for this, holding it with the other side over here, push it on and heard it snap in place, and now I can just move it down to wherever I want to line up for our other connector here. Now Sharkbite Max. On. Okay. All right, now we're just going to cut our piece, and probably cut an oversized. Okay, now we're going to cut our piece of PEX, so I'll cut it, and have an oversized cut about, I don't know, like 1.5 foot or something. What I'll do from that point is I'll put it in one end, probably this end, and then I will measure up on the existing piece of pipe and cut it there. So yeah, let me go ahead and grab a piece. And I got this 5-foot piece, so plenty of it, and it's pretty inexpensive. All right, so using my rigid to do this. And it's not going to be as hard as copper. Okay, there we go. All right, so I have some movement here with this pipe. This one's more stationary, rigid. So what I'll do is put it on. Once I get it on, then that's when I'll make my measurement. So with my other hand, I will put this piece here in, and then I'll get right back. All right, I need to measure. I'm going to go with like right there. We have a little bit of movement, so it doesn't have to be precise. Now, if you're good at measuring, you could have made the cuts already and just not had to do any more cutting after you got one side in. Another cool thing about it is, all right, see, it would be very difficult for me to cut that, so I'll just move it down here where I can easily work with it. Cut is made. We'll be able to push this back some. We've got some flexibility here. Line it up with, well, this is the max, so we don't have to line those little rings up. Put it in there like that. I'm going to try to do this one hand. We'll try to do this with one hand, but I don't know if I'll be able to. I may have to. Yeah, that's pretty secure. There we go. We're on. Okay, I'm going to. All right, let's dry stuff off. I'm going to go ahead and turn on. We're going to go ahead and turn on the main water and see what happens. See if we've got a leak. So I'm going to go ahead and crank this thing. So we're good. We're good, guys. Thank you for watching the video. This could easily be done under an hour. I think it took me probably an hour and 15 minutes, but I didn't have stuff I needed, and filming as well, so I think probably could be done in 30 minutes. So replacing pinhole leak in a copper elbow, soldered 1/2-inch pipe, replaced with the Sharkbite elbow to copper and to PEX, 1/2 inch of course, and then our Sharkbite connector from PEX to copper. Worked very well, no leaking. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. Till next time, take care.